Okay, so in this video, I'll quickly show us how to draft a collar pattern that we can use for our English button-down shirts. I'll be showing us how to go about this. So now we're doing this for a kid. We can use this method for an adult. Now the neck of this person is 12. The neck is 12. The collar stand is 2 inches, while the collar height will be 1 inch. Now, the collar of this person, remember we said it's for a kid. The collar, the actual measurement for the neck circumference is 12 inches. But I'll be adding 1 inch for overlapping. If you take a look at your button-down shirt, there's an overlapping between the left and the right part. So there'll be an overlapping. And I'll be using 1 inch. You can use 1.5, 1.2. But in this case, I'll be using 1 inch. So I haven't said this, we'll keep this aside. Now I'll be using this paper for my pattern to cut the collar pattern. I'll be using this paper. So I'll be using this paper. Now you fold this into 2. Remember we're cutting for neck 12. So you fold this into 2. This is the folded part. So you fold this into 2 and you mark a straight line as shown. You mark a straight. This is the pattern that we use to gum the hard gum stain. So you mark this. Now after marking this, remember the neck of this person is 12 plus 1 inch 13. So I'll be marking 6.5. Remember from this folded part, 6.5 we'll mark. So mark it there. Then you also mark this other edge, 6.5, mark it. So we'll mark at this point. So we are working from here. This will serve for the collar and the overlapping as well. Alright, so we now have this. Now you divide this into 2 parts. From this point here, this 6.5 divided into 2 gives you 6, gives you 3 1/4. So this is 3 1/4, right? 6.5 divided into 2 gives you 6 1/4, 3 1/4. Now from this point you move down. This point here, you're moving down by 1/4 inch. Then also this point you move down by 1/4 inch, right? So now curve this. You join this with a curve. You can do your free hand. If you don't have this curve, you can do a free hand there. Join this here. Then also join this other part here. Join this part here. Alright, so you're joining this. Like I said, if you don't have this, you can actually do a free sketch. Alright, so we now have this. So this point here, 1/4 inch, this point, so you join this with a curve. Now, at this down part, I'll be marking 1 inch. We're drafting the collar stand. So at this down part, I'll be marking 1 inch here, 1 inch here. Then this upper part as well, I'll be marking 3/4 inch for a kid. I'll mark 3/4 inch at this point, 3/4 inch, right? Then you can do a free curve here. As shown. Free curve here as shown. Remember the actual measurement for this neck size is 6 inch, right? 6 inch, that is 12. We added, take note, we added 1 inch. And that 1 inch we said goes for overlapping. So I'll stop at that point there. So we'll stop here, take note of this point. So we'll mark here down. So we'll now mark, connect here to this point here. Connect this point to this point here. Connect this point to